Today I am going to solve a very important question, and generally this type of questions are asked in exams, and they are quite easy provided you know the basics. So here the question is to find A inverse. Equation is given a square plus 8i minus 8a equals to 0. So a square plus 8i minus 8a equals to 0. What I do here, I keep I term left side 8i and remaining terms I take to the RHS and now multiplying by a inverse both side. So here is multiplying by 8a minus a square multiplied by a inverse. Now I multiplied by a inverse is nothing but a inverse, and RHS opening the bracket a inverse equals to minus multiplied by a square multiplied by a inverse. So 8 a inverse and a inverse equals to I, and so this is the basic formula I'm going to use here. So this becomes 8i, and a square can be written as a multiplied by a multiplied by a inverse. So 8a inverse equals to 8i minus a multiplied by I. Now after that, a inverse equals to 1 divided by 8, and here is a 8i, I nothing but 1 0 0 1 minus ai nothing but a. Now a inverse equals to 1 upon 8. This becomes 8 0 0 1 minus a, that is 3175, and entire thing again here the bracket. So a inverse equals to 1 divided by 8, 8 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 7, and 1 minus 5. So a inverse equals to 1 upon 8 outside. Here is a 5 minus 1 minus 7 minus 4. So required a inverse is 5 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 8 minus 7 divided by 8 minus 4 divided by 8. And after that, if cancellation possible, you can cancel them. So finally we got the answer a inverse 5 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 8 minus 7 divided by 8 and minus 1 divided by 2. This is required solution.